Hi there, students. A slogan, a countable noun. A slogan is a catchphrase, a motto, several words that go with a product or service being advertised. For example, Apple, think different, or American Express, don't leave home without it. So a slogan is a distinctive phrase that identifies a person or a group of people, and it explains their ethos or something that they want people to remember them by. So, for example, I guess this slogan for Liverpool is "You'll never walk alone." Yeah, you'll never walk alone. Okay, so a slogan, a phrase expressing the aims or nature of an organisation, of a candidate, like a motto, a catchword, a shibboleth. See the video. So it can be religious. Jesus saves. Or maybe Inshallah. It can be motivational. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. It could be political. Make America great again. Sounds like Mr. Trump. So a slogan needs to be likable and memorable. Yeah, it needs to stick in people's minds, and they then make the association. When there's a demonstration or a protest, you'll often see that people are carrying placards, and written on the placards are slogans. And then the crowd start chanting these slogans. Yeah, the crowd was chanting slogans. But I think the most important use of slogans is for commercial products. Let's see. See if you can identify the products from the following slogans. Just do it. Snap, crackle and pop. I'm loving it. Life's good. It's finger licking good. You can post your answers in the comments. Okay, so a slogan, a phrase, a catchphrase that expresses the aims or the nature of something, of a product or a group or something like that. I think the word slogan is probably a 5 in formality, something nice and flexible. You can use it informally, you can use it formally, so no problems there. And the origin I quite like. Let's see, from 16th century Scottish, Slogan, which is a battle cry, a Highland battle cry, from Slo, army, and Gan, cry. Okay, so a slogan, a battle cry. Clearly the link is there. Okay, so a slogan, a catchphrase describing a product, a service, a company, a group, an individual. Okay, so here we go with my slogan. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slogan.